A Fox 61 exclusive. The controversial Bridgeport mayor's race is over, but the fight for free and fair elections is just beginning.
And now that fight will be taken straight to the state's highest court. Fox 61's Matt Caron is live outside the state Supreme Court in Hartford tonight with what we've learned. Matt.
Well, it has been 190 days since Wanda Geter and others were caught on camera putting stacks of paper into the absentee ballot drop boxes in Bridgeport. But despite that video and despite a judge finding, quote, widespread evidence of ballot fraud, there's been no arrests or any charges. That may all change next month when the state Supreme Court hears a case.
What's the holdup? What is the holdup? I mean, you have the evidence even from 4 years ago.
We first introduced you to the group Fight Voter Fraud in November of 2023, when they drudged up this obscure state law to try and force a judge to issue an arrest warrant for election crimes for Bridgeport city worker Wanda Geter and city councilor Anita Martinez.
Around the world, people are aware of Wanda the ballot stuffer.
But despite national news exposure, a court appearance, and criminal referrals that date back to 2019, Wanda walks free. In fact, she partied with her boss, the recently re-elected mayor, Joe Ganim, and was just re-elected as the vice chair of the Bridgeport Democratic Party.
We saw that the chief state's attorney's office was not moving forward. You know, we're supposed to have quick justice on everything.
So after getting rejected by several lower courts, Fight Voter Fraud appealed, filing this 94-page brief, which was just accepted and will be argued before the justices of the Connecticut Supreme Court.
I was just so excited about the fact that we are actually going to be heard.
Their case centers around Connecticut State Statute 9-368, which essentially says we the people have the power to force government to act.
Any vote that's cast illegally waters down the votes of those who are legal.
Dennis Crow of Madison is one of the voters who signed his name to the affidavit.
It almost seems like they want to turn a blind eye to all the problems that can exist.
A Superior Court judge who rejected the appeal has said the law allows for an arrest warrant to issue without providing a vehicle for prosecution and relies on a standard of less than probable cause. Now Connecticut Attorney General William Tong is weighing in, telling Fox 61 Connecticut believes in the rule of law, not vigilante justice. We are handling this case jointly with the Chief State's Attorney's Office and are confident we will prevail before the Supreme Court. And as for the Chief State's Attorney's Office, they got back to me a couple of minutes ago with a statement that simply says, quote, due to the pending appeal and investigation, it would be inappropriate to comment at this time. We should note that the Chief State's Attorney's Office has had the criminal referrals from the State Elections Enforcement Commission since June of last year. As of right now, no final date has been set for when the state's highest court will hear these arguments. We're live in Hartford. Matt Caron, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.